The president has called upon Ugandans to refrain from engaging in evil acts, urging them to do what is right even when wrong is done to them. He made these remarks today during the 27th National Prayer Breakfast held at the State House in Tebe, ahead of the Uganda's 63rd Independence Day celebrations tomorrow. Under the theme, The Power of Forgiveness and Reconciliation, the event featured various testimonies, including one from the senior presidential advisor, Honorable Chris, who spoke about his personal journey of forgiveness and reconciliation fallout with His Excellency. He went on to appeal to the president to consider pardoning convicted capital offenders currently languishing in Uzila maximum prison.
Forget to deliver this message. You pardoned me now 16 years ago. And I want to thank you that since 1999, you have not signed any death warrant for any prisoner. And that could be one of the reasons that you are even still going on because of forgiveness. So the inmates on the condemn and those who have served wrong have sent me to ask you, have mercy on them, especially during this election.
The Deputy Speaker of the Parliament, Right Honourable Thomas Teyebo, appreciated the President for his transformative leadership over the years. He also called for reconciliation between Collins Tanga and Brenda following the recently concluded NRM Youth League activities.
On several occasions, where some people say, but the problem with the President, he wants to talk to everyone. He wants to, yes, he's the President for all. And for those, I've heard on several occasions, the President, when you bring an issue, he says, no, talk to them. Talk, because when you talk, you solve your issues. I urge everyone in this country to talk. The President is the President. We should talk to each other without conditions, like how Mr. Chris Rakasisi was released without any condition. But sometimes when we say we talk, people list until you meet 20 plus conditions. Oh my God, that's not talking.
His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni called upon the youths and the politicians to always do the right thing even when they feel cheated, emphasizing that this is the best way to resolve conflict.
All those unfairnesses, don't do any evil. You just keep doing the right thing, because I can see that God really has been on our side, because I don't know why, but I partly think it could be because of that, because we avoid evil. Whether we are angry, whether we are what, we had the power to assassinate people, to kill people, but we never used it.
He also appreciated the National Prayer Breakfast organizing team for their efforts and encouraging them to keep up the efforts.
The religious leaders, the cultural leaders, and all the invitees. First of all, I want to thank the Parliament for sustaining this effort of the prayer breakfast. You heard them saying that this is the 27th year when we have had the prayer breakfast. Mom and myself, and we went with Cardinal Subuga.
Ugandans were further urged to speak positively about their country and promote a spirit of patriotism and unity.
Just because you're having one challenge here and there in Uganda, don't condemn the nation. Which country has no challenges? No, every country has their own challenges. They are unique to themselves. But can we speak well about this nation? Can we speak well about our country? Can we celebrate our president who is here right now?